Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler. In this video we're going to take a look at the dollar index and just kind of route our way through what's happening at the moment. And basically what we've seen last night was the FOMC rate decision. They held interest rates at 2.5%. As they did that as well, there was an FOMC press conference that followed, and in that press conference and kind of statement from Fed Chairman Powell, he was a little bit more dovish than expected, with some reports that he was quoted to say that growth or interest rate hikes in 2019 was unlikely, and a lot of economists had been planning for the FOMC to at least have one more rate hike before the end of the year, but however, that doesn't look likely at the moment, and we saw this nice decline in the US dollar yesterday. Okay, so what do we do now? Well, price is actually stuck at these previous structure lows, looking left, and so we may actually, just because we saw that quite a big move yesterday, we might just see the retracement of that back into the 96.60 sort of level before seeing any kind of continuation to the downside. We have to remember that, seasonally the dollar is weak as well, so still looking for those dollar sells. We just jumped down to a 4-hour time frame. You can see that this retracement is kind of in full effect here. Previous structure lows are just dropping in around about this kind of 96.30 area. So we could see another little bit of a boost up for the US dollar with some continuation to the downside. Okay, so still on the cards to kind of look for that short on the US dollar. Obviously, we have this previous structure low acting as support at the minute as well. So you've got to be careful of that. But overall, we're in this 4-hour downtrend where the market's making those nice lower lows, lower highs. I expect that to continue until the market gives us a reason for it not to continue. So if we, break above and close above this 96.60, then you can expect that the market may actually start forming higher highs back into the 97.50 area. But for me, that's unlikely. I think we're going to see that further downside, and the next sort of targets we should be looking at is this $95 area. Okay, so this is what we're going to be looking at on the dollar index. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you're watching here on TradingView, then please give us a follow. Comment below. What do you think the dollar is going to do next? Thanks for joining me today. Speak to you soon.